Shout out to you, Google Maps. You sent me to the wrong address, but it's good though because I use my noggin and I find it. Let's go ahead and head on into the Wasabi Bar right here in Edwardsville and pick up this DoorDash order. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be doing some DoorDash. I am in Glen, Illinois. I just put some gas in the car. I'm about to see if I can make that money back. I think I just put like 30 bucks in the car. I just snatched me some of these right here. These some flaming hot shots. I needed me a little snack. Cause you know, you can't be hungry when you out here dashing trying to make your money. You gotta have you something to keep you going so you don't gotta stop and you can, you know, keep making your daily profits. But check this out, right? I got my DoorDash going right there. I've been paused for a little minute. I'm finna go ahead and see if this gas is done pumping, and then we finna unpause and see what we get first. Well, I guess we done pumping that gas. I got my $30, so we good to go. Alrighty, let's see what we get first. I am currently sitting at a 54%. As you can see right there, I'm currently sitting at 54%. Let's see what I get first. So first order is gonna be a Sally Beauty, $11.24 for 5 items. I am good on that. I will not be accepting that because I don't think the total gonna be higher, and I don't want to go in the mall looking for no Sally's order. And the miles to money ratio just don't make sense to me. It's a negative miles to money ratio, $11.24 for 12 miles. Can't do that. That's gonna, oh, and I see we got the old decline screen back where you gotta give a reason, so that's nice. So we're gonna see what's going on and see if we can get some orders that's profitable out here in Glen. Very next order, $4.75 for 2.8 miles. Almost 2-to-1 miles to money ratio, but not quite. It said it was a high pay order, but I didn't like the cash flow on that one, so I'm gonna leave that one alone. I'm trying to make some profitable orders. I'm only scheduled for an hour, so I don't want to potentially waste 20 minutes inside Applebee's waiting for a $4 order. Now, conversely, we got this order right here just came in, $4.75 for 1.2 miles. Now, again, that's still a $4 order, but the miles to money ratio is way better on this one. And if I was willing to wait 20 minutes for an order, it would be this one over the other one, just on the simple fact this is Subway, more likely to be done quicker. It's just, you know, sandwiches, and it's probably ready. But here's the thing though, when you're dealing with these low orders like this, you're more likely to have problems. This order is going inside Target, so it's gonna be a hand to me. It's probably somebody who working. I don't want to put myself in that position, so I'm just gonna go ahead and let that one time out, and I'm gonna see if I can get me something better. Now, the acceptance rate is definitely gonna be going down at this point, but that's okay though, because I'm not really worried about that. I'm just worried about making a profitable hour while using this app right here. And I also got other apps I can use, but for this hour, I'm gonna see if I can make my 30 bucks back. And if not, that's okay, but I'm not gonna sit up here and waste my time with orders that could potentially give me issues. I'm gonna see if I get something better, and if not, it is what it is. Man, they really playing hardball today. If you don't decline it, they send it to you again. So look, keep that in mind. If you're really worried about your acceptance rate, go ahead and decline it if you don't want it, because they will send it to you again, and that's the same order hitting your phone twice that's negatively impacting your rating. So as you can see right here, I'm gonna go ahead and let it time out because I'm not worried about my acceptance rate. I'm seeing diamonds right now, but that don't really matter to me. I'll do some experiments later to raise it back up, but for right now, I'm gonna just let it time out because it ain't for me. I'm trying to see if I can get something that's profitable. On $4.75, if I do 3 of those in an hour, you know, I'm making what, 13, 14 bucks at the most? I can't do that. I can't make money like that. Next order, I just got $7.75 for 9.7 miles. I can't take that. It's a Buffalo Wild Wings. It's inverse. It's an inverse miles to money ratio, and I think I might have just went below 50% on my acceptance rate because I may start seeing a whole bunch of less desirable orders. But if it's something out there and they send it to me, I'll take it. But this one here, $7.75 for 9.7 miles. That's a 20-mile round trip. Nope. So it say I'm at a 52. So I'm still at a 52. I might be at 51 now, but either way, I'm cool with it. I just want to do this to show y'all that look, it's still some trash offers out here. That ain't never finna change. It's just how they choose to label it and how you choose to look at it when it comes to your phone. Now, you know, it's still no tip, no trip, but those orders probably had $1 or $2 tip on them. And for the distance, that's really not unreasonable. It's just that with what I'm trying to do right now, I'm working for 1 hour. So I can't take that order when I'm working for 1 hour. Now maybe at a different time when I got a longer schedule set, maybe I will take that offer. But today ain't the day for that. We're gonna see what else we get. Time is now 2:31. So I've been sitting here, I got my gas, I've been here about 8 minutes. Pop these Cheetos open and see if we get something good. Flaming Hot Asteroids, these is bomb. Shout out to Frito-Lay. Hey, they know what they doing with this. This is what's up. Might be time to turn on Uber. Let's go ahead and turn on Uber, see if we can get something over there. The goal is to do it on Doordash, but I'm not about to just sit here and not multi-app. Boom! As soon as I just said that, now we got a good offer. So let me pause Uber. Pretzel, $8.25, no peak pay. 5.2 miles, 6 items right there. Boom. I ain't never been to pretzel, but I like the miles to money ratio. It's got a plus sign, so I know it's going up. That's an order I can go ahead and get behind. Now let's go ahead and screenshot there. Boom. Accept. Now we in there. Let's go ahead and head over to pretzel and see what the heck going on, because I need this money. I'm trying to pay some bills. Alrighty, we made it to the pretzel shop. See if they got this thing ready. But it's a pretty large order though, so we're gonna see. Hello, I got a Doordash order. Matter of fact, I should just grab my bag. It's pretty big, so we're gonna throw it in the catering bag. And look, you can use your Doordash pizza bag as like a base. That way you got a nice little foundation when you put the food in there, and you'll be good to go. Yes, sir. We got that thing ready to go in the catering bag. You see my little setup I got for Walmart Spark? Had to give me some of them plastic containers so that I can easily get these batched orders. And then we got the Doordash catering bag right there. Now let's go ahead, head on over to our destination, and we're gonna see what the payout is for this order. Tip for you right here. If you wanna get some good customer ratings, take a picture of the food in your hot bag or the catering bag and send it to the customer before you start delivery. That way, if you do that a couple times, it'll be sure to increase your customer rating. I done it. Hey, it's proven to work. Boom, let's get this order delivered. Alrighty, we only got a 9-minute drive to this destination, so that leaves me a good amount of time to get me some more money in this hour. I wonder what the hidden tip is gonna be on this order. $8.25 plus is what was shown. 5-mile delivery distance. I didn't check the subtotal on this order, but that's okay though, because we just getting back into our groove, and I'm really just trying to make this 30 bucks back I just put in this tank.
The customer requested you hand them the order.
Cater to our delivery. Let's go ahead and get them this food. Order number 1, got it done. Has been dropped off, handed it to the customer, and he was very polite too. I appreciate that. And we appreciate that great tip you left on that order. $8.25 turned into $9.25. Doordash decided to hide $1, but that's okay, because I knew it was gonna go up because there's a plus sign. But even if I was below 50%, I still would have been able to identify it, because with the item count and the merchant, you can actually add up the subtotal and get a good estimation of if the tip is gonna go up or not. And you can even take it a step further, and you can go on the Doordash consumer app, and you can put in a couple items at said merchant and see what the average subtotal is. So we did good on that one. My totals haven't updated yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and head back down this main strip and see if I can get another great order. Next offer just came through. $8.50, 12.4 miles. I can't take that. That's negative miles to money ratio, but it's got 5 items on there, so I don't know what's going on with that, but from a Chinese Chinese restaurant, I would think that them 5 items will have a pretty decent subtotal, unless it's just some funny business with some utensils or something like that. But maybe it's just a low tip on there. Either way, I'm quite a bit away from the pickup. Maybe that's why. But even with that, if it was something more than that, it probably would have showed me a diamond plus. So that's like Doordash letting me know right there, hey, this is all that's on there. Because I'm still over 50%. Let me check. Yeah, I'm literally right at 50% now. So if I decline one more order, maybe then they'll stop showing me diamonds. But for right now, I'm still seeing them. So I knew that order didn't have nothing more than what it was showing me. That's fine, but it just wasn't for me. Let's see what else we can get. I'm heading back into my hotspot area, and now hopefully I can start getting some orders, because down there at that drop off, I didn't get nothing. I had to get a little bit closer to this red zone to actually get an order to roll through. Walmart is right over there. I did just turn Spark back on. Not Spark back on. I did just turn Spark on, because I was like, hey, if they ain't sending me nothing on Doordash, I'm about to go ahead and multi-app. Got Uber running on this one, turned on Spark over here, and it might just be dry today, and that's okay. But at the same time, that's all the more reason to multi-app, because I wanted to make my 30 bucks back with Doordash, but guess what? It's been 30 minutes, I got 1 order. I'm grateful for that order. It was a great tip on that order, but guess what? I only got 30 more minutes to make 20 more bucks. Now, I just got a Walgreens red card order. This is a great order, but guess what? I ain't got no red card, so I can't do this order. And I ain't got time to be waiting on no Doordash reimbursement or nothing like that. So I'm gonna hit decline, and I'm gonna hit decline again, and I'm gonna hit, I don't have my red card, because I ain't got no red card, so I can't take that order. But that would have been a good order. It was $9.50 for 5 miles. It was good miles to money ratio. Would have been good cash flow. Probably just a couple items at Walgreens, but I couldn't take it. It wasn't for me. Now I'm at a 49%. I'm in the yellow. I am below. I'm on the other side, y'all. I didn't officially crossed over to the dark side. So let's see, now that I'm on the dark side, is the map gonna shrink? It's definitely telling me that I need to raise it to 50 to get priority. But from what I saw, I only got priority on some 475 orders, and I'm good on that. Not making no money with that right now today, but somebody out there took it and they was able to make money with it, or not. But just got a Uber Eats offer, first one of the day, $5 even, no change on it for 2 miles at Wingstop. Miles to money ratio was there. Don't like the merchant, but I did like the drop off. So I didn't like the pickup. I like the drop off, but I don't like the miles to money. I don't like the cash flow. The miles to money is good. The drop off is good. Merchant is a no, and the dollar amount is a no. So I had to pass that one up. But just know what your minimum is. Know what you need for order to be profitable for you, so that you can make your money. Because it's gonna be sometimes where that same order may be an order that you take. Right now ain't that time, because it's gonna be a wait at Wingstop. It ain't no getting around that. Now we got an order right here on Spark, $28.16 for 5.4 miles, shop and deliver. But check this out, it's 39 items. You're gonna be in there for a minute for 39 items, and me, I'm not the best shopper, so I'm gonna take a full hour on that just shopping, and that's not even counting the 5-mile delivery and the 5-mile drive back to where I want to be at. So with that one, I'm gonna have to let that one go, but it's all good though. Somebody else gonna make some profit on that. It's some Spark shoppers out here where they know exactly what they doing, and they making the money. Next order, we got $7.25 for 3.8 miles at Chipotle. 2 items. I think I'm passing up Chipotle now. Go ahead and snap a screenshot. I'm gonna go ahead and take that, because by me being below 50% now, I'm pretty sure that it might be something hidden on this one. Base pay out here in my zone is $2.25. So at minimum, there's a $5 tip. But with the way Doordash algorithm works, I'm pretty sure there's something hidden on this. It's only 2 items, but I think that it's a high chance of those 2 items having a hidden tip on. Simple joys of being a content creator. GoPro decided to die on me, but guess what? I got that Chipotle, got it in the hot bag, and let's go ahead and get it dropped off. Order number 2, got it dropped off. That one did not change, it stayed $7.25, but that's okay. My next order just came through on DoorDash. We got $10 for 11.6 miles. Now that's a negative miles to money ratio, but if I was heading in that direction, I would take it, because Starbucks usually is gonna have it ready, and it's probably some orders in that direction, but I'm not heading that direction. I got another order that I'm about to take. Miles, $21, 3 miles, shop and deliver on Walmart Spark. So we're gonna go ahead and go with that one, because that is way more profitable, and I got 15 minutes until I have to start the shopping on that order. Now my time is about to be up for my DoorDash shift. Oh, they let me extend it for 30 minutes. We in there. I just got a 30-minute extension. So I'm at $16.50 on DoorDash. I got a $21 shop and deliver. The decline on that Starbucks order, and the very next order that came through was $6.75 for 4 miles at Wasabi Bar, but the map was actually kind of messed up on that one, because I'm not 4 miles away. $6.75, that's a hidden tip indicator, and with it being sushi, wasabi, and it's 4 items, probably a good, it's a higher chance for it to be a better tip on this offer. Now I did just get a 30-minute extension on my DoorDash shift, so now I'm good until 4 o'clock. I got me a Walmart Spark order, but I don't even gotta start shopping on it for 15 more minutes. So we're gonna head on over to Wasabi and get this order picked up. Shout out to you, Google Maps. You sent me to the wrong address, but it's good though, because I use my noggin and I find it. Let's go ahead and head on into the Wasabi Bar right here in Edwardsville and pick up this DoorDash order. Oh, that's copyrighted music. Alrighty, we got that DoorDash order dropped off. $6.75 what was shown. Got that picture, confirmed it. Nice customer. Let's see. Nope, $6.75 stayed $6.75, but that customer tipped $4.50, and that's very generous for her, because that was literally a mile away. She probably, you know, was in there doing her thing, was like, you know what, let me order some DoorDash. Her go $4 per mile. I appreciate you. We as Dashers appreciate customers like you. Now, it is time for me to go start my shopping on Walmart Spark, so we're gonna go ahead, head over and do that. But just here on DoorDash, I think I am at $23.25, so only $6 away from making that $30 back in gas money. But as you can see, I was able to do it with just DoorDash. Even with getting my little extension, it didn't even matter. But also, it's still important that you make sure you try to multi-app when possible, because look, I got Plenty of offers came through on Uber. They wasn't good, but it was something that I could have worked with if I really wanted to. And this $21 Walmart Spark order, that's just icing on the cake. So let's go ahead and head over there. And if you liking this video, make sure you leave me with a like and a subscribe and a comment. Matter of fact, leave me with 2 comments. What you waiting for? You might as well. And you know what? Let me know how is it going in your market. I know things are starting to pick up a little bit more, but I ain't been on Doordash in a while, and I'm quite surprised that I ain't seen no $2 offers, no $3 offers. I seen some $4 offers, but that was the lowest. $4.75 was the lowest offer I've seen. Let's see how long it'll be before I see a $2 or $3 offer. And we will keep into account all of the peak pays and promotions they have going on. But let's see. I've been hearing a lot. People say they ain't been seeing no $2, $3 offers on Doordash, so let's go. I appreciate you if you made it this far in the video. You are the real MVP, and I'll catch you in the next one. Make sure you stay focused. Make sure you stay motivated. And if you like this video, make sure you check out this other one right here. This the one YouTube think you should watch, so you might as well go ahead and watch it. I mean, what the hell you waiting for? Ain't number earning opportunity. Come on, man. Stop playing with me.